Hey, we're going to start a new project today at HHH Enterprises. This is Ronda, and we just got in our new G321 buckles, and with that, I want to make something that's been really hot, themes with octopus. So, what do you need for this project? You need the G321 brushed gold buckle base. You need the 15284 antique gold octopus stamping. G707 is faithful friend, E6000. It's always done me right. And then you need some glass seed beads. I love these Matsano Japanese ones. They're just good reflections in their little foil-lined beads. I'm going to use the 18004.06 for this project. The first thing I like to do with working with buckles is I need to make sure it's as even of a surface as possible. I use this good old putty clay so that when you add your E6000 and things are drying, it's not going to slide off to one side. I just turn the D-ring up like this and I press the clay on, and then I just make sure when I get this buckle in place that it's nice, got as flat of a surface as possible. This particular buckle has a slightly convex surface. So anyway, this way this keeps it from sliding when you get things on. We need to fill the cavity with E6000. I just like to put a big glob on, and then I'll smear it all around. Make sure you get the glue, the adhesive that you're using, all the way to the edge of that rope edge border. Don't go on top of it, because when we apply the glass seed beads in a moment, you don't want it running up there. You can correct it simply, but just easier to go ahead and start. Okay, I'm going to mount up a little extra glue here at the center because that's where the octopus is going. It'll go on first. When you're doing a women's buckle, let me show you this. You want to put it on, you want to do your design work where the hook goes right over left when you're wearing the buckle. So, if this is right over left, work with your D-ring to the left. So I'm going to just flip mine around here, because now that would be like I'm watching someone wear it as I look at this. Okay? D-ring to the left. Next, octopus. This is a brass stamping finished in antique gold. Okay? What you want to do is gently place this in the center of your buckle. Now, you can gently move it. Here's where I start using a toothpick to kind of just not get glue on my fingers, but get everything centered properly. Next, we're going to use the Matsuno glass seed beads. These are Japanese. I like the foil-lined ones. You may have some on hand. You don't have to use this exact one. This is the top quality glass seed bead out there. Alrighty. So here, we're just going to pour some seed beads on top of this adhesive. Okay? You want to get plenty. You want every bit of the cavity filled with either the octopus or the seed bead. I'm going to remove that from the top of the octopus in just a second. This gives you a wonderful mosaic look, and you don't have to do the mosaic hand setting. A lot easier. Oh shoot, I spilled some of these. Well, give Martha a call. She'll take me off her list. My maiden name was Stewart. So I'm going to clear the seed beads off the octopus first. Push seed beads down in the crevices. There's some pretty work here on this octopus where there are cutouts of it. So you're just going to kind of scoot your seed beads around using, man, this high-tech Texas moving stick. Look at all those extra beads. Then I actually start pushing a little bit with my finger. Once I get them thinned out, then it pushes them down in the adhesive. But do move it clearly away from the edge of the octopus, so that the octopus is highly defined. You can just do this with the excess. Oh, look at that. Great ideas are never ceasing at HHH Enterprises. Okay, that's it. Your mosaic octopus buckle follows the steampunk trend. Looks great. Looks mosaic. The glass foiled bead is wonderful. I love the foil. This actually has an AB finish on it, and it's a beautiful piece. Now you're going to let this buckle sit for 24 hours. You can go back in over the next 20 minutes or so. If you see a hole, just stick one in. Stick a bead in. Go ahead and make sure that it's pulled away from the rope edge border, because that frames it out nicely. And then just kind of go back and look at it, you know, check on it for about 15 minutes. This particular piece, there's no problem with sliding. Everything's pushed down into the E6000 very nicely. And so, hope you enjoyed it. Give us a call, 800-777-0218. This is Ronda Hillis. Thanks so much for joining.